Good morning, sir. Do you perhaps know where is the air conditioning management system?
Unfortunately, I cannot help you. I'm here just for a meeting.
As always, I don't have access to the most basic data. It makes me so embarrassed to look for answers by bothering random people like you. I apologize.
It's fine. Let's use this short elevator ride to show you our digital twin. I think this visualization technology could help you get your work done faster and more effectively.
What just happened?
You see, every facility can have its own digital representation that allows you to keep track of various types of important pieces of information that can be used for data analytics or even enhance operational performance of your team. Once you configure iconics in your ecosystem, you can use Genesis 64 on any browser on your computer or mobile device to digitize your everyday work reality. Genesis 64 and its GraphWorks 64 solution is a human-machine interface, in short, HMI, software package that includes various vector items that you can use to create a digital twin of your shop floor. It also allows you to combine 2D objects with 3D views, create shapes and smart symbols, insert controls, and add buttons and pictures. Create dazzling animated graphics that can incorporate interactive HMI features, display alarms, visualize trends, replay historical data, and even monitor assets on a geographical map. With GraphWorks 64, you can create intuitive and user-friendly interfaces that focus on situational awareness in order to provide a clearer context for actionable data. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'd prefer not to show up late.